Japanese gardens are renowned for their tranquil beauty, harmonious design, and spiritual essence. These gardens, rooted in centuries of tradition, provide a sanctuary for relaxation and contemplation. If you are a beginner looking to create your own Japanese garden, this guide will help you embark on a journey to cultivate a space of serenity and natural elegance. First, understand the principles. Before you begin designing your Japanese garden, it's essential to grasp the fundamental principles that underpin this art form. Key elements include balance, simplicity, harmony, and the integration of nature. Research and explore different styles such as the dry rock garden, the tea garden, and the strolling garden to find the style that resonates with you. 2. Start with a plan. Create a Japanese garden requires thoughtful planning. Start by assessing the available space and its characteristics. Consider factors such as size, topography, sunlight exposure, and existing flora. Sketch a rough layout, keeping in mind the desired elements you wish to incorporate, such as ponds, bridges, rocks, and pathways. 3. Embrace natural elements. Nature is at the core of Japanese garden design. Introduce natural elements like rocks, gravel, water, plants, and trees to mimic the beauty of the natural landscape. Incorporate carefully chosen rocks to represent mountains, while gravel can symbolize rivers or oceans. Select plants that are native to your region and known for their suitability in a Japanese garden, such as cherry blossoms, Japanese maples, bamboo, and moss. 4. Utilize space and scale. Japanese gardens often emphasize the concept of space and scale. Incorporate various elements in a way that creates a sense of depth and openness. Use pathways, bridges, and fences strategically to guide visitors through the garden. Consider the proportions of each element and ensure they harmonize with the overall design. 5. Introduce water features. Water plays a vital role in Japanese garden design, representing life, tranquility, and purity. Consider adding a pond, a small stream, or a cascading waterfall to your garden. These features not only provide a visual focal point, but also produce soothing sounds, enhancing the overall ambience. If space is limited, a simple water basin or a stone fountain can also add a touch of tranquility. 6. Include symbolic elements. Japanese gardens often incorporate symbolic elements that reflect their culture and traditions. This can include stone lanterns, bamboo fences, and statues of animals or deities. Choose elements that resonate with you personally and contribute to the overall aesthetic and spiritual atmosphere that you wish to create. 7. Embrace pruning and maintenance. To maintain the authenticity of a Japanese garden, regular pruning and maintenance are crucial. Prune trees and shrubs to maintain their desired shapes and sizes. Rake gravel or sand in rock gardens to create patterns that represent ripples in water. Keep in mind that the act of maintaining the garden can be meditative and foster a deeper connection with nature. Creating a Japanese garden is a rewarding endeavor that invites you to reconnect with nature and find peace in the present moment. By understanding the principles, embracing natural elements, and incorporating symbolic features, you can design a space that captures the timeless beauty and tranquility of Japanese garden design. Remember that the process itself is as important as the final result, so embrace each step with patience and mindfulness. May your Japanese garden bring you a sense of serenity, harmony, and joy.